The next topic is about controllability. Controllability. What it is saying, if TD over tau, TD over tau. What is TD, Shabab? What is TD?
Dead time.
Dead time. This TD is what? Dead time. Which dead time? Process dead time. Process. And what is this tau?
Time constant.
Very good. Process time constant. So if the TD over tau increases, controllability is what? Controllability decreases. Or you can say if it is decreases, it is increases. Whichever way you want.
So what we use it
That way. You can say this is increases, then this is decreases. They are opposite.
uses for, teacher.
Huh?
Controllability uses for what?
What is controllability? When we say controllability, my car have high controllability. What does it mean?
So that's my question.
My car has very high controllability. What does it mean? I can control my car very accurate. It can be controlled in any environment, in any road, at any time, at any speed. Right, Shabab? Yes, universally relationship. One brother is asking universally. Yes. So Brother Ali is saying, yeah, there is no problem with its controllability. It can be controlled any place, any time, any weather, no problem, even raining, wherever. So it has high controllability. Road grip is very good. Right, Shabab? Shabab with
Can
me?
you, yes, teacher, can you give us a clear example for our life?
Yeah, the example is coming. Don't worry. So when we say some process has very high controllability, it means it can reach to the set point very fast, as soon as possible. So PV will go to the set point as much as fast and as secure as possible. Now, is it really true? The question is this: is it really true? Let's see. Let's see. There are two quantities here: TD and tau. TD and tau. So we make one constant and see what happens with the other. Right? So let's say tau is constant. Time constant is constant. It is constant. So now what will happen? TD over some constant increases, controllability decreases. TD is what, Shabab? What is TD, Shabab?
Dead
Dead
time.
time, right? Okay. Now dead time increases. What is our ideal dead time? 0. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 0. Okay. If dead time is increasing, mean what? You push the brake and brake comes in action at 1 minute. Control is good? Is this control is good? No. Lot of brothers, they are writing no. This control is not good. We need brake to be applied as soon as possible in 0 time. Right, Shabab? Okay. If that time become even more bigger, 2 minutes. So you push the accelerator and your car start after 2 minutes. You like the car?
No.
Nobody gonna like it. The controllability is decreasing. As the dead time is increasing, controllability is decreasing. Right, Shabab? One thing proved.
Right.
Okay, now second point. Now what we do, we take TD constant, TD we take constant, and we see what happens with tau. So constant over tau increases, controllability decreases. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Okay,
Yes.
lot of yes. Okay, now this is constant. Actually, you can say it is 1 over tau. If tau, what is our ideal tau?
0.
0, right? So what is 1 over tau? What is 1 over tau, Shabab? If tau is 0, what is 1 over tau?
Error? Oh, it can
Infinity.
infinity, yeah.
1, if tau is 0, 1 over tau will be infinity. Right? With me?
This is with you.
That's good. Now if tau is, if 1 over tau is increasing, it becomes infinity, the controllability is increasing or decreasing? Tell me.
Decreasing?
Decreasing. There is no controllability. Is that 1 over tau become infinity? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing decreases. So tau, imagine now, tau was what, Shabab? What was the tau? Tau was what? Time constant, right? If some car has 0 time constant, is it easy to control it or difficult to control it?
Easy.
Sorry?
Easy.
Difficult. Lot of people are writing very difficult. Why? When the time constant is 0, it means the car wanna go to maximum speed in 0 time. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
You, teacher.
So is it possible the car, a mechanical equipment, a mechanical car can go to steady state in 0 time?
No, teacher.
Not possible.
Impossible.
Lot of brothers are saying not possible. So it means it is true. If the time constant is decreasing, the controllability is decreasing. Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
Now, both cases will prove it is
Yes,
true.
with you.
TD is increasing, controllability is decreasing. Is tau is decreasing, the controllability is decreasing. So it is one by one we prove they are both true. So it means this thing is true. So when TD over tau increases, controllability decreases. Shabab with me?
Again, teacher, what do you mean? Decrease?
One is true or not? TD over constant increasing, TD increases, controllability decreases. It is true or not?
Yes, true.
1 over tau increases, controllability decreases. Is it true or not?
Question. You mean the time constant if we increase
Oh,
it?
yeah, this is time constant. These both are true or not?
True, yeah.
True. So combine them, we say TD over tau increases, it decreases. So it is also true. With
Yes.
me? So it means this given formula TD increases, controllability decreases is true. Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers are writing this. Now, we will apply this one to our real process. So if it is TD over tau is increasing and controllability is decreasing, so what is the best fit? Where the controllability is maximum, that's we now need to find. What we need to find, Shabab? Where is the controllability maximum? So we should keep this TD, that time and time constant ratio, we should keep what? To get the best controllability. So are with me?
Continue.
Okay. So we're gonna draw a table to get this point. Where is the controllability is the best? See here, Shabab. This is P, PI, PID, right? This side, if we take TD over tau, we take TD over tau is equal to 0.01. TD over tau 0.01. So how much is the Kc? For what is the Kc for this one, Shabab? For P, Kc is tau over Kp TD. What is the Kc here? 0.9 tau over Kp over TD. What is Kc here? I am just writing from the table, Shabab. 1.1 tau over Kp TD. So how much is the Kc here, Shabab? If tau TD over tau is 0.01, how much is Kc? Yes, Shabab. Put this value here. TD over tau 0.01. How much Kc? This is Kc. Kc for Pi, Kc for PID. Shabab with me? 100. Very good. Very good. Lot of brother no writing, but the brother Fatil wrote it first. 100 over Kp. What is here? How much Kc here? Put the value TD over tau 0.01. 90. Very good. Very good, brother. How much is the Kc here, Shabab? How much Kc here? 110. Very good. Okay. Now we take the TD over tau. TD over tau 0.1. So now how much is the Kc? How much is the Kc here for P? Very good. 10. 10 over Kp. How much here? 9 over Kp. That's good. How much is here? 11 over Kp. Very good. Kp, Kp. Okay, Shabab. Now the third value we are taking, TD over tau is equal to 1. So how much is the Kp here? The first one. How much is the Kc? 1 over Kp. Here how much? 0.9 over Kp. And how much here? 1.1 over Kp. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. Okay. Kp is everywhere. Kp is everywhere. Kp. Right? So why don't we make the Kp 1? Make the Kp 1. So if we make the Kp 1, we can remove the Kp.
Teacher,
Yes.
should I memorize this schedule?
No need to memorize it. Just try to understand it.
Okay.
This is for the understanding, not for memorize. Okay, Shabab. We make the Kp 1 and it becomes this. Now when the Kc is 100, Right, Shabab? Remember? Experiment 6. Kc was 100. What is proportional band? 1. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying 1. So, the PV gonna go to set point very fast or very slow? Very slow. Very good. Very good, brother Ali. Very good. So PV, what is our objective? Our objective is always PV go to set point. So it's gonna go very slow. Very, very slow. So we don't want this one. So 90, 110, approximately same. Right, Shabab? Okay. When the Kc is 1, what is PB? What is PB here? 100. The PV gonna to set point very fast again. Is it possible the PV go to set point, Shabab? Once again, Shabab, once again. If the Kc is 100, gain is 100, right? What is PB? What is PB? 1, right? For PB 1, what was the error? Somebody remember error? Remember error here?
Yes.
What was the error?
0.
For PB1,
3.
for PB1, you are talking about the PB 100. For PB1, what was the error?
4.
Remember this one, Shabab?
Yes.
Uncontrollable,
Infinity.
highly uncontrollable. It was for which one? PB1, remember?
Yes.
Shabab with
Yeah.
me?
Yes.
Is it possible to bring PV near to set point?
No, it is impossible,
No,
teacher.
never. So what is controllability here? Is controllability very high or very low? Here the controllability is very high or very low? Shabab? Very low. Do you want this type of car?
No. No.
No.
It is not
No, come here. No, come here. Kc is 1. Kc is 1. What is PB?
100.
100. Right?
Yes.
What was the error?
3.
3% constant. Can you take PV near to set point?
No.
No. So it means below this one we don't need, above this one we don't need.
Yes.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Now, if the TD over tau 0.01 and above, very bad controllability. If we go down, TD over tau is equal to 1, again very slow. Constant error is there, offset error is there. So this portion has the best controllability somehow. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Shabab, once again, please pay attention. Please. When we take the Kc 100, PB is 1, the system becomes highly oscillating. If you remember the experiment 6, the system becomes highly oscillating. So there is no way to take PV near to set point. The error become like this. Error become like this. Okay. Shabab with me?
Yes. It's clear.
If you take the TD over tau 1, Kc become 1. Proportional band 100. Here it will be approximately 100 something. Here 90 something. So near 100. It becomes very slow and there is a constant error. So you cannot take PV near to set point. So below this, if you wanna make more PV more, we don't need. So the best controllability is in this range. Which range, above? Below 0.1 and above 1. This range is the best controllability. Shabab with me?
Yes.
With me? Okay. Now you can do one thing. You can make this schedule in the Excel file. What you can do? What you can do, Shabab?
Again, teacher,
You
I can't
can
hear you.
make this schedule in the Excel file, and you can put 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 up to 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 up to 1. So when you're gonna put in Excel, you're gonna find the best controllability is when TD over tau is less than equal to 0.3 and greater than equal to 0.1. Shubha with me? The best controllability you will get when TD is what, Shubha?
That time.
That time. What is
This
tau?
Time constant.
Time constant. So when TD over tau is less than equal to 0.3 and greater than equal to 0.1, this is the best controllability.
Question. I have question.
Yes, please, please.
As we know, Kc, when Kc is 1, the proportional band will be 100, yeah?
Yes, this. Yes.
So if the Kc is less than 1, about proportional band.
If the Kc is less than 1, so what is
Yeah.
proportional band, Shubha? The Kc is 0.9. What is proportional band here? Yes, Shubha. Yes, Shubha.
Calculate that.
100 over 0.9, how much? Yes, Shubha.
0.0009, something like that.
Huh?
Oh, 90.
Kc into Pb is equal to 100. So Kc is what? 0.9. So Pb is what? 100 over 0.9. How much?
Oh,
100 over
100,
0.9. How much?
100.
7.11.
That's
Right?
more than that, yeah?
More than 100. So it will make the system more slow or faster?
Fast, I guess?
So
Slow, okay.
they are writing slow, mashallah. So as the proportional band is increasing, the system is becoming more slow. And also the error is there, constant error is there.
Okay, fine.
You get my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, Shabab, if you make the Excel file, as we explained, from 0.01 to 1 with the separation of 0.01, then 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, dot 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 0.1, then 0.2, then 0.3, 0.4, dot 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 1. You will, this region we don't need to go above this region, we don't need to go below this region. The best controllability is this region. So when you find mega Excel file, you will find the best controllability in this region is between 0.1 and 0.3. And also the experience show this thing. The experience, the people, the engineers working in the field, they deduct this thing, TD over tau less than equal to 0.3, greater than equal to 0.0, 0.1 is the best controllability. Shubha with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing. Yes, that's good, Shabab. Now, please read the question 4.3. Yes, Shabab, please read the question 4.3. Yes, brother. Question 4.3.
Yes, teacher.
which page, teacher?
Page 12.
12.